friends, welcome to lesson 1 and 2, reviewing of addition and missing addends. Today we're going to talk a lot about addition, love addition, but there are some things that we need to review, some vocabulary that we will be using a lot this year in our math class. The first thing you need to know is the definition of addition. Addition, the combining of two groups into one. So we have some, and it makes some more. The second one is the word sum. It's the answer to an addition problem. Our next piece of vocabulary is a number sentence. This is a complete sentence that uses numbers and symbols instead of words. So you could have there were 4 boys and there were 5 girls, and overall we had 9 kids at the party. But we can write this in a number sentence rather than using words. Our next thing that you need to understand is the concept of commutative property. Now, when I think here commutative property, I think of communities and how they can stick together. The order of the addends will not change the result. Now you think, okay, what in the heck are addends? When we have 2 numbers that we add together, each one of these we call an addend. So our 3 is an addend and our 4 is an addend. And what we're saying in the commutative property is we can take our addend of 3 together with our addend of 4. It creates our sum of 7. But commutative property says the order of the addends will not change the sum. So what they're saying is you can start with 3 and add 4, or you could start with 4 and add 3. Both will equal 7. We need to also talk about the identity property, and I love this because it's probably one of the simplest properties to study, and that is when we add 0 to a number, the number doesn't change. Yay! So you can say 7 plus 0, will it equal 0? No, Mrs. Starr messed up on that. 7 plus 0 will equal 7. Or we can say 8 plus 0 equals 8. Or 1,000,000 plus 0 equals 1,000,000. So, identity property. And our last one is the definition of formula. I personally like to think of a formula as like a mathematical recipe. But the official definition for formula is a method for solving a certain type of problem. And so it's the recipe for how, when you need certain information, it's the specific things that you need to do to get the information that you want. And there you have it. This is our first lesson. There's a lot that we're reviewing. I encourage you to come to the practice set where we will do the practice set from lessons 1 and 2. So follow me there. Thank you.